What's up guys, DUBB. So this is my case 431 diesel tractor. I have taken everything apart in the front area. So I got the front mostly painted except for the lower area. Now I'm trying to put everything back together. I hope I remember where everything goes. And also you're going to be turning this right here to get the engine to go dead center. And over here you have a peephole, and in here you should have dead center. You can see it up. Should say DC. Way with this little rod right here. So this one's lined up at dead center, meaning the cylinder number 1 is all the way up. A little damage to the edge of it, so I went ahead and ordered another set. Cost me 20 bucks, and I came with metal washers. I went ahead and installed the pump. I shouldn't have taken it out. It was tricky to put it back in. So in here you have a shaft coming out. There's 2 lines right here line up as well. Then it should fit straight in. Make sure you use a little tie. Have the throttle all the way back this direction. Otherwise you try to put it in there, there's something in here will catch it. So tie it down. You'll use a little I use a little metal wire. I just pull it back and anchor it down here, like this right here. Anchor it down so it stays. Once it's all the way pulled back, this end will loosen up over here, allow you to slide right all the way in. Then go ahead and tighten these 3 bolts right here. I reinstalled the exhaust manifold and put all the injector lines back on there. Got the gas tank back on, and the dash displays all been cleaned up and remounted. And I'm working on the steering. Here's the front of the tractor. It's part of the hood. I have already removed the paint off of it, and there are a few dents that I need to fix. And here I got the hood for the tractor, it said case 430 on it, but this hood does not go with that unit. But since I can't find the exact hood for it, I'm gonna try to modify this right here to fit in that unit. So far I put back everything I could. It runs right now. Got the radiator put back on, along with the mechanical pump. Everything's working. It just starts up. Yeah, so far it's coming along, and I just need to finish the hood and the front piece. I can put them back together so somewhat look like a tractor. And right now I'm working on the front end loader. I start painting it. And working on some of the repairs. There was some cracks in this area, went and welded, and I'm upgrading down as much as I could. I did the same to this side. Since there's a crack in there, there was a slow leak of hydraulic fluid. So since I got everything out, I'm gonna go and address the problem, so this way there's no problem in the future. Once I get everything painted, and I'm gonna try to install onto that unit. And here's the front bucket, and it also requires some attention. Yeah, so far everything's coming along. I just want to give you an update on my tractor. Hopefully I can get it done so I can do some work in my garden and also in my backyard. So this is pretty much it for this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll keep you updated when I got more things done to this tractor. Bye.